Viewers, namaste. Today we are in front of WNS company, and this company was in news. This company was in news last January for all the wrong reason, and this wrong reason was a lady whose name was Shubhada Shankar Kodre, age 28. She was brutally murdered by her colleague at the backside of this premises. Later on, from police authorities and from media, all have understood that there was some financial transaction issues. Perhaps this lady had applied at office, raised a complaint office, but since there was no justice, the situation went up to a stage wherein Krishna Kanojia, the murderer, the culprit, this person has gone ahead to murder this lady within the premises of this particular IT park where this WNS company is there. At that time, in overall media at national level, there was a question about WNS security. It's really surprise and paradox that company talks about expertise in industry, in across various industries, but when it comes to basic security, it was a big failure because this guy, Krishna Kanojia, this guy was carrying chopper with him, and WNS security could not find this weapon, this sharp weapon, at the time of security check. We don't know whether in the last 2 months whether WNS has taken some cognizance of the situation and has improved the security or not. But after this incident, what is not there in the news is this: Maharashtra government has initiated an investigation by Labour Department, and basis in visit by concerned Labour officer on 24 January, Labour Department had sent a notice to WNS, and this notice has n number of points which talks about the gaps and violences in terms of compliance. The first compliance is simple. Maharashtra Labour Department says in this letter, which is sent in February, that during inspection it is observed that the certificate provided by you was valid only up to 31st December 2024, which means the registration certificate of this establishment, it was valid only up to 31st December, and this murder has happened on 7th of January. So on that particular day, the establishment was not having necessary registration certificate. My question is to Labour Department, my question is to Maharashtra government. If this would have been a small company, a small industrial establishment, the Labour officer must have made the life of HR or maybe legal expert miserable. But why no action has been happening in this case? Why Maharashtra Labour Department is very, very lenient? February you sent notice. What are the actions? WNS also need to respond, whether they have given response to this and whether they have supplied necessary documents. There are 25 points, viewers. Can you imagine? 25 observations by Labour Department. Second is, they say your establishment operates 24/7, but WNS failed to send the intimation document to Labour Department, to Deputy Commissioner of Labour, saying that their establishment would operate 24/7. So there is no communication. This is also a compliance fault. Third is, as per Shops and Establishment Act 2017, WNS is expected to take consent from female employees for the night shift working. On this inspection date, WNS could not submit this document. Third big gap. Then there are points about crochet, the observations about notice of opening the establishment, Form A. Moreover, when it comes to Maternity Benefit Act is very, very basic across industries, whether you're IT company or a factory or whatever. If female employees are working, and if some female have applied for maternity benefit, she is eligible as per the Maternity Benefit Act. But in this particular case, WNS did not submit necessary returns for 2024 till the date of this inspection. So my question is, and since there are 25 points, 25 observations, my question is to WNS, whether you need to clarify whether you have submitted all these compliance documents? If not, why? Why your HR department, why your legal expert could not submit the documents on the date of inspection? The murder happened on 7th, inspection happened on 24th January after 14 days, and you guys did not have necessary documents. And you're running, you have thousands of employees working with you across Pune, and you do not have basic documents as per the law of the land. Another important question is to Labor Department. Mr. Labor Commissioner, why you are so lenient with WNS? Please understand, a poor lady was brutally murdered by a colleague and basic documents are not in place. If it would have been a normal small company, the life of the HR manager would have been certainly miserable, made miserable by the government authorities. But what is happening in this case? These are the questions which are there for WNS and Labor Department, and viewers we would expect in coming days. WNS and Labor Department would need to answer all these questions. Whether they have submitted answer to this notice, what is that answer? People need to know. We cannot afford to lose life of people who are working in such big giants in IT, ITS.